So we get in a lot of manufacturing scrap, and people that use silver products is one of our largest size and volume we get in. This particular customer creates flexible circuits that mostly use silver as a means of conducting electricity. So you can see over here, these are the cups they use, I'm assuming, to mix up their various formulas of silver, conductive silver. So silver is a very good material for screen printing because it's flexible. So all these parts right here, I'm assuming these are made by screen printing. That's the usual method. And they have layers of material on there. They have conductive layers. They may have carbon, and the green is typically dielectric, which is a non-conductive material. This allows them to make multiple layers of circuits that are still flexible. And this is in the raw form. You can see the different stages, different types of material. Particularly good for things that have to go around stuff or needs to be light in weight. And then when they're finished, they end up with an assembly like this, which is probably a touch panel keypad. They'll have a spacer layer between there. And these different layers are just glued together with adhesive. And this is how most of the telephones were made years ago. Now they're a little more simple at times. But it's a good way of simply and quickly making flexible circuits.
Gannon and Scott, recover more, worry less.